Thanksgiving is observed on the second Monday in October in Canada and the fourth Thursday in November in the United States. It is observed as a day of gratitude for the previous year's crop and blessings. It is said that Martin Frobisher, an adventurer from England, was the first person to celebrate Thanksgiving in Canada in 1578. There are others who think that in the 1600s, the explorer Samuel Champlain celebrated Thanksgiving with the Native Americans in New France. Just half of the pilgrims who had sailed on the Mayflower lived by the autumn of 1621. Delighted to still be alive, the survivors decided to celebrate Thanksgiving with a feast. The first Thanksgiving celebration was observed by the Plymouth Pilgrims. Governor William Bradford, the leader of the Pilgrims, invited the Wampanoag Indians who lived nearby to the first Thanksgiving feast in 1621. 3 days were dedicated to the first Thanksgiving feast, which was attended by around 90 Wampanoag Indians. The first National Thanksgiving Day proclamation was issued by President George Washington in 1789 and again in 1795. In 1827, Ladies Magazine editor Sarah Josepha Hale launched a Thanksgiving campaign. Thanks to her efforts, Appreciation became a national day of prayer and appreciation in 1863. On October 3, 1863, Abraham Lincoln issued a Thanksgiving Proclamation, formally designating the last Thursday of November as the national holiday for Thanksgiving. Each president used to issue an annual proclamation designating the day of Thanksgiving until President Lincoln put this into effect. In 1939, President Franklin D. Roosevelt reinstated Thanksgiving Day on the final Thursday of November. He took this action in an attempt to extend the Christmas shopping season and boost the economy. Thanksgiving would be honored on the fourth Thursday of November each year as a legal holiday, according to a proclamation issued by Congress in 1941. Many people offer Thanksgiving Day staples like turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie. Even though the original Thanksgiving meal was simple, Americans still enjoy the classic roasted turkey with stuffing, gravy, sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes, cornbread, and cranberry sauce on their tables today. Apple cider, custard, hot chocolate, buttered rum, ham, fruit cake, candy canes, plum pudding, mixed nuts, fudge, pies and eggnog are some other options. Families join together to have a Thanksgiving dinner on this day. During the feast, most people break the turkey wishbone, granting a wish to the person who receives the bigger piece. To express gratitude for all of their benefits, a lot of churches around the country host special Thanksgiving services. John F. Kennedy, the U.S. President, formally pardoned a turkey in 1963 before to the Thanksgiving meal at the White House. Subsequent presidents have carried on the custom of rescuing a turkey ever since. Every year, the President of the United States pardons a turkey that isn't going on the dish. Lobster, chestnuts, dried fruit, onions, leeks, cabbage, chicken, carrot, rabbit, honey, and maple syrup were served during the first Thanksgiving feast. Eventually, the menu included mashed potatoes, pumpkin pies, corn on the cob, and turkey. The U.S. department store business Macy's has been hosting its annual Thanksgiving parade since 1924. It features Broadway musicals, balloons, marching bands, and enormous floats. A Christmas parade was the first Macy's tradition, honoring the growth of the company's flagship shop in Manhattan. They brought in an animal parade with floats featuring Little Red Riding Hood and Little Miss Muffet. Mickey Mouse debuted in the Macy's parade in 1934, although Felix the Cat was the first character balloon to fly in 1927. The parade was suspended from 1942 to 1944 during the height of World War II. Black Friday, which falls on the Friday after Thanksgiving, is regarded as the biggest and busiest shopping day of the year. The numerous holiday discounts that start today officially kick off before Christmas. Watching football on TV or in person on Thanksgiving is another tradition. Additionally, many Americans organize food drives as a form of charity on Thanksgiving to give back and share their blessings with the less fortunate. Every year on Thanksgiving, almost 46 million turkeys are consumed as part of the custom. Some even refer to the occasion as Turkey Day. Since many Americans take family vacations on Thanksgiving, some say that the Wednesday before Thanksgiving is the busiest day for travelers. Erntedankfest, the German name for Thanksgiving, is observed in the first part of October. Like American Thanksgiving, it has a procession akin to the Macy's parade in the U.S., as well as big feasts prepared with seasonal vegetables. The ceremony in German churches consists of an observation, some singing, and the giving of a harvest queen, the harvest crown. Every year on November 23rd, Japan observes Labor Thanksgiving Day as a way to honor labor and productivity and to express gratitude to one another. Adopted under the American occupation following World War II, it is a national holiday. On this holiday, a lot of kids in Japan make drawings and present them to their local police officers as a token of appreciation for their community work. Late September is when Korea observes Chuseok, a day of gratitude. The harvest celebration known as Chorelia serves as Rome's equivalent of Thanksgiving. It is a day to pay tribute to Ceres, the goddess of corn. Every year on October 4th, people commemorate Chorelia. The meal prepared for Chorelia is a token of the Romans' gratitude. In August and September, Ghanaians celebrate Hamuwo, a time to express gratitude. During the festivities, a group of well-dressed chiefs parade down the main thoroughfares in the region. The word, hooting at hunger, is Hamuwo. Before being consumed, recently produced crops are blessed, and those who eat them are clean. Chung Chui, also known as the August Moon Festival, is the Chinese name for Thanksgiving. Chinese families celebrate the end of the harvest season with a roast pig and moon cakes, which are symbols of family perfection and unity, over the course of 3 days in the middle of August. Chinese people frequently gift their cakes to loved ones. The Pongal festival is a time when people in southern India celebrate their harvest. This year's festival happens in January.